What's up guys, it's Finance Fin, back at it again with another video, and it looks like Black Friday in April continues on. So NIO had earnings yesterday. They were supposed to lose 16 cents per share, but they only lost 4 cents per share. So they beat earnings by a considerable margin, which was very surprising. Yet the stock price dipped 5% on the run up to earnings, and then in pre-market it dipped 3%. So what will it take for NIO stock to reverse and go on a bull run again? Who knows? So unfortunately, the catalyst that I thought that would bring this back up to the 40s, the mid 40s, maybe even high 40s, clearly didn't work out. I do potentially see that these new price points are, again, good buying points for investors like myself and other people buying NIO, maybe even big hedge funds. I know Cathie Woods was speculating potentially getting in on NIO last week. This could be a good entry point for her and the ARK fund. So potentially we might see big money come in and invest, because these numbers are just too good to be true here. I mean, like, they're putting out like the best numbers. They're potentially building another plant, a factory of that magnitude, developing 1 million vehicles a year is astronomical. It's not as big as Volkswagen, but NIO is still in its infancy, so that has to be taken into regard when thinking about this. NIO is going to shoot up in value this year. It is a matter of time. I think now, given like the circumstances, I think we're going to see it next earnings. By the next earnings report, we're going to be back in that all-time high zone. I think we're going to slowly be creeping up to those levels again, and we're going to have to break through some resistance lines. I won't get too technical in this video, but all you need to know is that right now there's a pretty hard support at the 35 level. I don't see us going below that. Currently, I think we're around the $37 mark. We'll see how it opens up. Currently, it's the 30 pre-market, so the market hasn't opened yet officially. We'll see at 9:30. I think it's going to gap up, but who knows? It might even gap down. At this point, anything's possible. In regards to some of the comments I made in the last video talking about, NIO might be potentially in a short squeeze, that was a reference to it potentially squeezing like 5 or 10%. Some people misunderstood that, and I'm sorry if I was misleading when I said that. I don't see NIO going to $600 because of a short squeeze. As people mentioned in the comment section, that is physically not possible because only 5% of the shares, or even like 18% of the shares, are shorted. Nevertheless, it is a considerable amount and should not be neglected, and definitely taken into account when looking at the stock. The fact that that 18% of the shares are shorted. This is a rough estimate. The numbers change all the time. Obviously, they might be different by now, but nevertheless, in that range, it is a considerable number and should be taken into regard. Of course, it's not going to 3-4x like GameStop. GameStop was one of a kind. And me saying it's going to short squeeze, I was not trying to mislead people, and I apologize for that. In other news, I'm going to be putting out some more videos this week and next week, potentially talking about NFTs if you guys are interested in that, and also making some more option videos because a lot of people ask some good questions about options, more in depth, like what's a covered call, and some different option strategies you can have to kind of maybe hedge your bets. Maybe straddle. So I'm going to be talking about all of these, option terms, and I might even be making a follow-up video to the options video with a better explanation, because I have a feeling that the video was quite long and it was a little confusing, the explanation. So I think I'm going to condense the video, maybe even remove it and upload a new video because, I think it could be explained better. So I'm going to be potentially also starting some new challenges. The Road to 10K challenge is still happening. Currently, the markets are a little slow, so I'm not going to be uploading any more of those videos anytime soon. Once we see the bull run go back, I think I might be trading more. But right now, I'm kind of just holding my positions. I have some positions in NIO mostly, and I'm going to wait for those to recover. So there's not really much to talk about. Also, in other news, we hit 100 subs this week, or last week. This is a huge milestone. I didn't really talk about it in my last video, but I want to say thank you so much. I started this channel, a couple months ago. A lot of people might think that 100 subs is not a big deal, but it's triple digits. So I have 2 zeros after that one now. That's huge. So we're actually already a little bit farther than that. We've been growing great, and I can't be more happy. So I'm also going to be doing a giveaway for that, and the winner has already been picked. I didn't really announce it a lot because I want to pick people that are following the channel, commenting on every video, super engaged fans. So the winner of the $100 giveaway or my 100th subscriber giveaway is Jasmine. So Jasmine's been commenting pretty much on every single video. Been there since day one. Honestly, my favorite supporter, best hype woman, hype man you can ask for. Super blessed to have such a great audience, and I think Jasmine really embodies the whole spirit and the kind of energy I want in. I am super excited to announce that she's the winner of the 100 subscriber giveaway, and she'll be getting $100 Venmo, PayPal, or whatever. In terms of future giveaways, I'm going to be giving away money, I think 1,000 subs next marker. So I think we're gonna be growing a lot in the next couple of weeks, and adding a lot of people to our family here. Finance Fin. I haven't thought of a name. I might go with the Moon Gang, but 9 to 5 has already kind of coined that term. So we might have to go with a different name here. We'll see. Think about it. Comment down below if you have any ideas. This is Finance Fin, and happy investing.